Good evening. So this numerical is on viscous force combined with the statics. So if you know statics, the net force is zero. In this numerical, the wedge, you have a block. The block is going down with a constant velocity, and you have this liquid, which is oil with some viscosity. So therefore, you have a viscous force here. The question is, what is the velocity of the block when it is moving with a constant velocity? So the way to do this is you have normal Newton's law, which is a normal reaction in terms of weight. And then because it is moving with a constant velocity, the force in this direction and this direction is equal. So your force of viscosity balances the downward force due to the weight. And then since it's a case of viscosity, the thickness of oil is known to you. You apply Newton's law of viscosity. So you apply the two equations of motion, and then you apply the Newton's viscosity law. You can find the velocity at which this body is going down. Thank you very much.